Do you ever feel like you're just playing the same songs over and over again and not making any meaningful progress? This is something we call the guitar plateau. And I often see this misdiagnosed as something technical, where you need to develop a particular technique or to do with how often or the way that you practice. But I believe the true guitar plateau is a shallow relationship with your instrument. When you are relying solely on tabs, sheet music, and chord charts to play the guitar, you are really only touching the very surface of what it means to be a musician. What you want to do is reach down below the surface so that you can start creating a deeper connection to the guitar. The great thing is that you can overcome this plateau at any point in your guitar journey. It's just about focusing on the right things. So let's talk about what you should be doing. But first, I need to announce something very, very special to me. And that is today I have launched my first ever official guitar course called Listen and Play, where I'll teach you my step-by-step process for playing the guitar by ear. This isn't so much about copying a riff or a lick, but more so about being able to hear and understand the core foundation of a song. It's designed specifically for beginner and intermediate players, and especially for those of you who do feel like you have plateaued in your guitar playing. It's about 2 hours long, and it's full of practical application and exercises for every single concept in the course, so that you always feel like you understand each step before moving on to the next one. With all of my lessons, I try and make things as accessible as possible for you guys, so this course will be available for less than the price of a single private lesson. If it sounds interesting to you and you want to learn more, I'll have it linked at the top of the description of this video. And by the way, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. I never could have imagined this channel would grow as much as it has, so please don't feel like you have to buy a course from me. Just watching my videos or subscribing to the channel is more than enough. Okay, so let's talk about the best ways to create a deeper connection to your guitar. The first of these is something we just talked about, and that is learning to play by ear. If I can just speak about my own personal guitar journey for a moment, learning how to play guitar by ear is the single most valuable thing I ever learned as a musician. Because learning how to listen to a song and then play it is obviously great, right? But it goes so much further than that. You'll find that once you learn how to be able to do this, you'll have a whole new appreciation for music when you listen to it, because you are gonna understand all the connections and what ties everything together just as you're listening to the song. This also gives you access to a lot of creative tools. Because you know how everything works and how everything is tied together, you can really start putting this to use when you start writing your own songs, riffs, licks, solos. And it becomes a whole new level of helpful when you start getting into the world of improvising as well. The next thing is something that I know guitar players love to hate, and that is music theory. And I know how overwhelming and frustrating learning music theory can be. I didn't learn music theory for the first 15 years of my guitar playing life, but there are some really cool practical approaches that basically take all the extra fluff and garbage out that make things overly complicated and hard to understand. And the value you do get as a musician learning things like scales and chords and keys and how they all fit together will absolutely take you beyond the guitar plateau that we're talking about in this video. The next thing I'd encourage you to work on is songwriting. And even if you're not at the point yet where you want to be putting your music out into the world, just coming up with your own chord progressions and learning how to create ideas that are all your own can really start changing the way you approach and view the instrument. And obviously this is going to deepen that connection even further. The final thing that I would suggest is learning how to improvise, specifically improvise guitar solos. And this is another thing that I think can scare people off because it sounds like something very, very advanced, but there are some really great kind of upper beginner intermediate approaches where even with just some basic skills, you can start coming up with your own solos on the fly. This is one of the deepest points of connection with your instrument. If you imagine any great guitar player and they're up on stage playing the most beautiful solo, and you can see they're not really thinking about the notes that they're playing. There's not a lot going on here. It's basically just this perfect connection between what they're hearing and what is coming out their guitar. That type of musical and creative nirvana is something that we all want to aim for as musicians, and learning to improvise is one of the places where you can start doing that. So as far as next steps, I'll have links to my lessons on each of these individual topics down in the description. And if you want to check out my new course on playing guitar by ear, I'll put a link right in the middle of the screen that you can tap, or you can just go to the link at the top of the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.